In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an efficient database system to manage your projects and tasks effectively. We'll start by creating a database for your projects and another one specifically for your tasks. Creating separate databases ensures that each element you want to maintain is organized and accessible. To begin, let's focus on the project database. In your chosen management tool, set up a new table dedicated to projects. Each row in this table will represent a different project you're working on or planning. Add relevant details like project name, description, deadlines, and any other specifics that will help you keep track of what each project entails. This way, you'll have a bird's eye view of all your projects and can monitor their progress at a glance. Now create a separate database for your tasks. This table will list all the individual tasks you need to accomplish across your various projects. In this tasks database, make sure to include essential details, such as task name, due date, priority, and status. This clear categorization will help you prioritize your workload and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. With both databases ready, the next step is to establish a relationship between your tasks and projects. To do this effectively, you'll add a relation property in your task database. This property allows each task to be linked to its corresponding project, creating a dynamic connection between the two. When setting up this relation, be meticulous in pairing each task with its appropriate project. This linkage is crucial, as it helps you track what tasks belong to which projects, providing greater clarity and organization. Once you've successfully linked tasks to projects, it's time to leverage rollups to track task completion status per project. Rollups are a powerful feature that allow you to aggregate data from related entries and display a summary in your project database. Set these rollups to track the completion status of each project's associated tasks. This overview is enormously helpful as it shows you the progress being made on all fronts, alerting you to any pending tasks, and ensuring every project steadily moves forward. Next, let's customize views to organize your tasks better. Adjust your database views to filter tasks by different criteria, such as by project or by their completion status. This customization provides versatile angles from which you can inspect your workload, identifying tasks that require immediate attention or grouping tasks together by the project for a more focused approach. Finally, use linked views to display related tasks directly on your project pages. By setting up these linked views within the project pages, you create a seamless workspace where you can see all the relevant tasks at a glance, without needing to shift your focus away from the primary project overview. This integration enhances your workflow by consolidating essential task information with overarching project details, making project management not only efficient, but also more intuitive and accessible. By incorporating all these steps, you'll construct a robust system for managing projects and tasks, helping you stay organized